Okay, so I am sharing my grocery haul today. This is my last grocery haul for the year. So the next time you see a grocery haul will be for the month of, you know, the new 2021. Wouldn't that be awesome? So I thought I needed to give these a try. These here stuffed puffs with classic milk chocolate in the middle. I'm going to be making some hot chocolates and I thought this would be neat. I got some ranch seasoning, it's just 2. Got some Dixie plates because who wants to do dishes during the holidays? I got 1 vanilla cola and 2 Dr. K's. 2 things of flour, which the flour was on sale today. So I got 2 things of that. I always can use flour. I got some whole milk. I already showed that. I got some Colby Jack. This is what I been putting in my cheese ball. Some imperial butter. Another thing of Colby Jack. We got some shredded hash browns because I'll be making hash brown casserole. Got some mozzarella for some more pizza and some lasagna this week. This is the mild cheddar. I got this for dinner tonight, which is the southern breast tenderloins. 3 things of bacon that was on sale. A thing of sausage for the top of my pizza. A tub of butter. A thing of trash bags. A thing of Dawn liquid soap. 3 of the French style cut green beans. I'm making green bean casserole. And Crystal Light, which is the fruit punch. And this is what I'm going to use in my holiday punch that I'm going to make for Christmas. And let's see what else. Okay, now I've got a thing of lettuce, some orange jello. I got another cookie scoop because mine was broken. I got a red onion for 7-layer salad. Got these for Beau Bear for Christmas. Some white onions, well actually Valdez, and some Schwab's ginger ale. Some avocado oil. Big thing of potatoes, a giant ham. This is a spiral pre-sliced. A thing of sugar, 2 loaves of bread, and 1 thing of hamburger buns. So I'm going to carry all this in and I'll show you the rest. Okay, lastly, we have some sugar-free French vanilla. That's from my father-in-law. He loves that. We got 2 of these packages of pepperoni. This is Cup and Crisp Bold. Never tried it, but somebody suggested it. 2 things of cottage cheese, 1 thing of sour cream, 1 thing of French onion dip, a thing of extra creamy whipped topping. Hold on here. French onions, Bisquick, Louisiana tea. I want some iced tea and I want it made from that. I love that. It's my favorite. 4 packages of cream cheese. 1 package of sweet peas. And a package of mushrooms and a thing of celery. Okay, so I've got some Lay's potato chips, plain. Some bold barbecue Lay's. We've got some pineapple juice, some marshmallow cream, some evaporated milk, some chili sauce for meatballs. We've got some pecan pieces. We've got some crushed pineapple, sliced pineapple, some lean ground beef, and some napkins. And I hope you all enjoyed this haul, this grocery haul for the end of the year. I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.